The video generation wars are heating up, and we're not talking about Sora anymore. A brand new challenger just dropped, and it's bringing one feature the competition is still struggling with: native audio. Get ready to meet Grok Imagine 0.9. This is the latest powerhouse from xAI, and it's making waves not just for what it can do, but because of one critical word: free. We're diving deep into the features, the quality, the speed, and the all-important commercial use license for this exciting new video generator. Let's talk about the absolute killer feature right off the bat: native audio.
I said to her, "It's not that you are ugly, it's just that I'm too hot."
Up until now, models like Runway's V3 or even OpenAI's Sora generate incredible video, but they deliver it silently. You still have to spend time layering sound effects and music afterward. Grok Imagine 0.9 changes that entirely.
I don't really need the walking stick. I think it just makes me look cool.
Yeah, you look so hot right now.
It's designed to understand the context of your video prompt and generate realistic synchronized sound effects and background audio built directly into the clip. Imagine prompting a high-speed car chase. You get the screeching tires, the engine roar, and the background ambience, all generated simultaneously with the visuals. It's a massive step towards seamless, finished content creation. The generation process is remarkably quick, often taking around just 1 minute to produce a short clip.
Perfect. I want a wife who will stay at home.
Perfect. I want to drink a lot and get fat.
This is fantastic news for content creators who need rapid iteration. The model also offers versatility. You can upload an existing image and then apply a custom video prompt to it, transforming it into a dynamic scene, complete with that signature native audio. This speed and flexibility is a game changer for daily content creation. Now for the questions that truly matter to everyone watching this. Is it free, and can I use it to make money? The short answer is yes, with an asterisk. Grok Imagine 0.9 is available to users with an X Premium Plus subscription. While the subscription itself costs money, the generation of the images and videos within that platform is completely free. There are no tokens, no credit systems, and no hourly fees to use the model, unlike many competitors. This makes it an incredibly powerful and cost-effective tool for frequent use. Regarding commercial use, this is where you need to pay close attention. Grok Imagine is part of the xAI suite. While X's policy generally allows content creation, you must verify the current xAI and X terms of service regarding monetization and commercial licensing. Policies can change, so always check the latest official documentation before using your generated content for profit. But for creative experimentation and rapid prototyping, this is wide open. 0.9 has also been released for free, for now, to the general public as well, with a standard xAI account, but with limitations. There seems to be a daily limit on the number of creations, and there is no clear commercial use. Although it appears that social media use is okay, but be sure to check the terms and conditions first, as they can change at any time. It's not clear if the limit is a daily limit or a total limit. I would have to wait another day to find out, but I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. So we will see tomorrow if it all resets. It's not clear how many free video clips you get, but it seems to be about 30 to 50 generations that you get, which includes the ones you don't like. All the clips you have seen in this video so far were created with a free account, and the limit was reached. An important note when you use Grok Imagine is it is better to use your own images generated on another AI platform because the image creation is not great on Grok. The video creation, however, is fantastic. Also be sure to prompt the video, and don't just let Grok generate the video without a prompt, because when you don't prompt, you get this. When you do prompt, you get this. Here is another example of no prompt versus with a prompt.
I don't really need the walking stick. I think it just makes me look cool.
Here is another example. I created the images in this video with Leonardo AI and Nano Banana. Then I put them into Grok. I then made sure to mention what audio I want.
It's just that I'm too hot.
Have fun with it. Let's be honest, Grok Imagine 0.9 might not yet match the sheer photorealistic spectacle of a pre-release like Sora 2 or the refined output of Runway V3. However, The fact that it includes native synchronized audio and is available to use at no extra charge for subscribers means it offers incredible value. It's powerful, it's fast, and it's integrated into a platform millions already use. Grok Imagine 0.9 is a massive contender in the video AI space, proving that you don't need a trillion parameters to deliver game-changing features. What do you think of Grok Imagine? Are you ready to ditch the sound editor and start making videos with native audio? Let me know in the comments below. The pace of innovation is accelerating in every single domain. The future is here, it's real time, and it's absolutely thrilling.